Hi guys, hi Distinction family, welcome to Distinction in Mathematics. If this is your first time on this channel, we would like you to join the team, so please do press that subscribe button and don't miss a video. So today's video is very short. We are proving this identity. I'm going to give you steps on what to look for when you are proving an identity, because a lot of people don't know where to start. So today we are unpacking everything. And also, you don't want to miss this. I'm going to be uploading more videos based on proving identity. So if you have a problem in that area, please do stick around, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss a video. So the first thing is to choose a side to prove. Do you prove the left-hand side or the right-hand side? I always recommend to choose a side that has a lot going on. Why? Because all you got to do is break it down. It is more easier to break down. But we're going to get more into details about that in the following videos. Secondly, before you prove anything in trigonometry, you have to know trigonometric laws and identities, compound and double angle formulas, and trigonometric ratios. And if I'm missing anything, I'm going to be mentioning it as we prove. And thirdly, when you are proving, if you change any identity to another, make sure it looks closely to what you are looking for. You will understand this so much better when we are doing it. So let's start proving. On our numerator, we can find cos squared x on both sides of the plus sign, so we have a common factor. When we take out cos squared x as our common factor, on this side, we are left with another cos squared x, and on the other side of the plus sign, we are left with only sine squared x. We basically have no reason to change anything on our denominator at the moment, so we're just going to drop it as it is and work on our numerator. According to trigonometric identities, this can also be written as 1. Remember, this can also be written as 1 minus sine squared x, which looks closer to what we are looking for. So that gives us permission to change this identity to 1 so that we are only left with cos squared x. Now, cos squared x multiplied by 1 is cos squared x, and it can also be written as 1 minus sine squared x, as mentioned on our previous step. When you look closely, we can actually find a way to eliminate our denominator, because what we are aiming for is not a fraction and it is not what we have as our denominator. So we open the brackets and find the factors that make up 1 minus sine squared x. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to see more people join the team, so please share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video.